Welcome everyone to another exciting episode of Content Creators HQ, where we explore and discuss everything about brand building, content marketing, storytelling, and copywriting.
Today, we are deep diving into what distinguishes a business from a brand, who can make that transition, and why it matters.
So here we go. As they say, start from the basics. So let's start from the basics. What is a business? In simple terms, a business is an entity that offers product and or services in exchange for money. It's the foundation, the operational aspect of commerce.
On the other hand, a brand is more than just products or services. It's the perception, the emotions, the values associated with that entity.
So Swarna, do you mean buying a shirt and buying a super dry shirt?
Yes, it means watching a movie versus watching Shah Rukh Khan movie.
Okay. So Swarna, uh, take Apple for instance. Now they started as a computer company, just like many other businesses. But what sets them apart is their brand identity. It's not just about their sleek design and innovative technology. It's about lifestyle, creativity, aspiration that they embody. That's what turns a business into a brand.
Business serves your need, and brand serves your desire.
You need a product, but you aspire to own a brand.
Mithil, so only big businesses can become brands?
That's the popular myth everyone has. Businesses of any size can become brands. It's not about the scale, it's about the impact. Now, look at companies like Tom's. Now, they started with a simple idea selling shoes, but they turned it into a movement, a symbol of social responsibility. Now, that's the power of branding.
Totally. Like Xerox, just replace the action of photocopy to its name.
Absolutely. And let's remember personal brands, influencers, thought leaders, even solo entrepreneurs. They are all building their brands every time they engage with their audience. It's about authenticity and the most important, consistency.
So, should all businesses strive to become brands?
Well, it's a choice, Swarna. Businesses that are aspirational aim to become brands. Becoming a brand is like raising a child, it's a long term commitment.
So, what does it need to become a brand?
Well, a persona that your audience connect to, aspire to own, and takes pride to possess.
Lovely. Now that we know what makes a business a brand, let's also spill some beans on how to embark on this journey.
Hmm, the journey is long, but let us give a glimpse. Let me share you three things. Number one, create a persona. The first step is define your business persona to which you will create a connection for your audience. In fact, Swarna, we can do one more thing. Based on this podcast, all the listeners who are listening to this podcast, I want you to comment below. Whatever I'm sharing with you, just share your real examples or the things that you follow. Why? Because it will help us and the whole community who's listening to this podcast to connect. So create a persona, share your persona in the comment below. Second, identify what makes your business desirable. What is that human element that your business satisfy like no other product or service? And third, nurture these facets and keep the desirability element alive.
That was an amazing trailer to what it means to become a brand. But पूरी picture भी तो बता दे दोस्त. Now, as a business owner, what if I ask, is this long journey worth embarking?
If not worthy, why would we even be here speaking about brand building? In your language, actors तो बहुत है, but Shahrukh Khan एक ही है. Similarly, every industry has many businesses, but brands are few. Also, being brands brings perks. Have you ever bargained while buying a Jaguar watch?
No.
Okay. Do you ever seek product comparison while buying Sony?
No, no, no.
And in your language, when a Shah Rukh Khan movie releases, are you even bothered if it is a hit or a flop?
Never.
No, right? Because you are emotionally attached, and when you are emotionally attached, you think about the product beyond the aspects of utility, pricing, and many other features.
Lovely. Make me also a brand, na?
Why not? With an intention to guide businesses and professionals on the brand building journey, we create a dedicated space known as VIH Tribe Content Lab that helps you learn, engage, and embark on the brand building journey. So join us and let's search forward. So you will find the link of joining the VIH Tribe Content Lab hustler plan, which is absolutely free, in the description below. Don't miss out this opportunity. See you on the other side.
Bye, guys. Have a great, great, great week ahead.